Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean and detail a dirty engine bay using only steam, all-purpose cleaner, and a detail brush. It's a super simple method that you guys can easily do with your own vehicles. Now don't worry if you don't have a steamer, you can still get the same results without one. Now the vehicle we're going to be working on today is my own personal 2012 Ford F-150. It's got 67,000 kilometers or about 42,000 miles on it, and I haven't cleaned the engine bay for a couple of years now, so it's pretty filthy. So because we aren't using running water, you won't have to worry about things getting wet that aren't supposed to get wet, so there's no risk of damaging any of the electrical components. This is a super safe way to clean and detail your engine bay. Now before we jump into the video, take a second and subscribe to the channel, turn the bell on, and yeah, let's get ready to make this engine nice and steamy. But you know, in a good way. Okay guys, so obviously the first thing you want to do before working on your engine is to make sure it's either cold or just warm to the touch. Then you're going to want to either use a leaf blower to blow things out or use a vacuum to suck up any of that loose dirt, debris, dead bugs, that sort of thing. Basically try to get it as clean as possible before introducing any chemical to it. Now the next step, and guys I can't stress this one enough, is to remove the battery. If you're going to be working in and around your engine and all the electrical components, just take the couple minutes it takes to remove the battery so you completely eliminate any risk of shorting something out and causing damage to any of the components. Not only is it safer, it also gives you a chance to clean underneath the battery in the tray where there's bound to be a pile of dirt and dust, or in my case, a bunch of dead dragonflies. Now, I want to clarify here that my goal is not to achieve, concourse or show car results with this engine detail, but rather to just clean and improve the overall look of the engine bay using the products that you see here. Alright, so we're going to start at the top with the hood, of course, and basically the whole cleaning process is going to consist of spraying on an all-purpose cleaner, hitting it with steam to help loosen the dirt and grime, agitating it with a brush, and then wiping it down with a microfiber towel. Now, if your engine bay is really full of grease and grime, oil spills, that sort of thing, I would definitely recommend using a degreaser instead of an all-purpose cleaner. Something like Meguiar's Super Degreaser is a great product, but for my truck here, I didn't feel the degreaser was warranted. I should also note that if you guys are interested in any of the products that I'm using in this video, I'll have them linked in the description below, including the McCulloch steamer, which is really proving itself to be an extremely versatile tool and honestly relatively cheap too for the quality that you get with this machine. Hey Mike. Hey man. You actually decided to help? Yeah, that's what brothers are for, right? Dang, this thing is really dirty. You know what I want to know? What? How does a detailer let his engine bay get this bad? Shut up, Mike. What? What? What'd I say? Okay, don't worry, I managed to get rid of Mike so we don't have to put up with him anymore. Man, the nerve that guy has. Anyways, continuing on with the process here, moving around the engine bay, and I'm working in small, manageable sections, so that way the all-purpose cleaner doesn't end up drying before I can wipe things down with the towel. There's no need to go around and spray cleaner over the entire engine bay all at once. Just pick a small section, spray on the cleaner, fairly liberally, agitate with the brush to get that nice foaming action going, and then wipe it down. Now, one of the great things about this steamer, guys, is the fact that it makes it super easy to get into the tiny little crevices and heat up and dislodge any of that caked on dirt. Then when we go over it with the detail brush, we can be sure that we've gotten it all loosened, so we can simply just wipe it up with the towel. If you guys have ever considered buying a steamer either for detailing or for cleaning inside the house, this McCulloch MC1375 is a fantastic choice, as it comes with all kinds of attachments, including handle extensions and a mop head, so you can even steam clean your floors. Okay, now it's time to dress the engine bay, and for this we're going to use Don't you look pretty? Pearl? So yeah, I'm trying out a different UV protectant, and I know what you guys are going to say. How could you cheat on Aerospace 303 when it's been so loyal to you? Well, guys, what if it's not the one? I've been with 303 since I was in high school, so what if I've missed meeting my true soulmate? Now, I don't want you guys to panic. I'm still going to keep 303 around. It's way too good of a squeeze to get rid of for good. Now, the nice thing about CarPro Pearl is that it comes in a concentrate and gives you all the dilution ratios for the various surfaces throughout the vehicle. Like the interior trim, exterior plastics, tires, and of course the engine bay here, which I'm using it at a 2-to-1 dilution ratio. Alright, once everything is dressed, it's time to put the battery back in, connect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and tighten down the bolt to hold it in place. Alright, so with a little bit of help from Mike, this engine bay is looking super clean now. The Pearl has done a fantastic job of reviving all the plastics and giving them a nice deep matte black look. It looks super, super good. Now, I know most people hardly even look under their hood, let alone actually clean under there. Doing it just makes such a big difference. And if you guys ever have to take your car in for service or something like that, I guarantee the mechanics will treat your car differently and appreciate it a lot if they see it nice and clean under the hood. So guys, take care of your engine bays. Alright guys, we are done with this engine detail. We have got this engine bay cleaned and dressed, and it's looking really good. I hope that shows you can do a complete engine detail without the use of running water. I know that would scare a lot of people to use running water near your engine. So you can definitely do that without water. Yes, I did use steam in this video, but you can easily do that same job and get the same results with just the all-purpose cleaner and a detail brush. So yeah, that's going to do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'm going to leave it there for now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing a full Oh, hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing a full Oh, hey, there you are. What's up guys? So today I'm going to be doing a full, complete engine detail. Say it right. Oh, hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing Oh, hey, there you are. Welcome back to the channel guys. Today I'm going to be doing a full